Identify the side panels and lay them in order on your trestles, ensuring the gable pitch lines up. Similar to step 1, overlap the panels at the joining ribs and secure at 2 points using the screws provided. To ensure your screw positions are even around the shed, mark the fixing points at 600mm increments from the bottom. Select the correct U-channel and slide it onto the bottom of the panels. This channel does not have any cutouts. Make sure the corner is flush and secure at the second rib. Repeat at the opposite end, then fix every second rib. Select the apex channel and gently bend to form the gable shape. Position on top of the panels and make sure the corners are flush. Secure with a screw at the second rib of each end. Locate the gusset plate at the apex and slide under the apex channel, pulling it tight into place. Fix off the center of the gusset, followed by the 2 outer screws. You can now secure the apex channel at every second rib, as well as the tops of the gusset plate. Repeat this entire process for the second side panel. Place the assembled panels to one side.